If you're nearing retirement or already retired, you're likely wondering how you can safeguard your wealth in uncertain times. How can you build a stable, recession-proof retirement fund when the financial markets feel so unpredictable? Well, gold and silver might be the key to not only preserving, but growing your wealth, especially when you're concerned about inflation, market crashes, or currency devaluation. Here's the thing. Traditional retirement plans like stocks and bonds are always at risk, and we've seen that in action during market downturns. But precious metals like gold and silver have stood the test of time. They've outlasted every financial crisis in modern history. These assets aren't tied to the fluctuations of stock markets, so when Wall Street is volatile, gold and silver can provide a safe haven. If you're serious about protecting your wealth, I highly recommend checking out the free guide I've linked in the description. Thousands of Americans are taking control of their retirement funds with gold IRAs, and you'll want to see why that's the case if you want to safeguard your future in the next 2 weeks. But let's dive deeper into why gold and silver are such powerful tools for your retirement. First, let's talk about the long-term value of these metals. Unlike paper assets, gold and silver are finite resources. There's only so much of them in the world, and their demand has remained consistently high throughout history. As economies fluctuate, the value of these metals tends to go up, especially when inflation starts to eat away at the purchasing power of paper currencies. You might wonder, why not just hold physical gold and silver yourself? While owning the metals is certainly an option, it's not as practical or secure as holding them in a gold IRA. Gold IRAs allow you to store precious metals in a tax-advantaged retirement account, meaning you don't have to worry about theft, the hassle of storage, or taxes on the gains until you're ready to withdraw. And let's be honest, that's peace of mind for a retiree who has worked hard to build up their savings. Also, unlike stocks, gold and silver don't experience the same kind of price swings that can wipe out your retirement savings overnight. For example, while tech stocks might skyrocket one day and tank the next, gold maintains a steady upward trajectory over the long term, especially in times of economic uncertainty. Now, some people might still be hesitant about putting their wealth in gold IRAs, thinking it's too risky or complex. But it's actually a straightforward process. With the right gold IRA company, setting up an account is easy, and many offer free consultations to help you make an informed decision about how gold and silver can fit into your retirement plan. Remember, these companies work with your existing IRA or 401k, so you don't have to worry about starting from scratch. If you're looking for a recession-proof retirement fund, gold and silver are the best option for you. Unlike paper assets, these metals are not affected by market volatility in the same way. As the value of the dollar continues to fluctuate, the price of gold and silver tends to rise. Plus, with gold IRAs, you're putting your money into assets that you can rely on during tough economic times. So if you have at least $100K or more in your IRA or 401k, or even up to $5 in savings, this strategy could be the right fit for you. You don't want to let your wealth be eroded by inflation or a market downturn, and gold IRAs give you a way to diversify your portfolio and protect yourself from those risks. For a comprehensive guide and to see why so many American retirees are opening gold IRAs to protect their wealth, click the link in the description below. It's a great starting point to secure your retirement. To recap, gold and silver are two of the best assets to build a stable, recession-proof retirement fund. And when you store them in a gold IRA, you get the best of both worlds: tax benefits, protection, and stability. If you're serious about protecting your wealth, it's time to take action today. Don't wait for the next market crash to make your move. Check out the free guide now if you're ready to safeguard your financial future. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.